ChatGPT isn't the big deal everybody's making out to be, and I'm going to tell you exactly why. So by now I'm sure you've heard of ChatGPT. If not, I'm assuming you have been stranded on an island for the last few months with no internet connection. There are hundreds of videos out there telling you all about it. This is not going to be one of those. People have been so caught up in the excitement of this AI that many have missed why it's not actually that big of a deal. And in fact, the truly exciting part is still to come. So if somehow you missed it, ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that has the ability to generate human-like text. It's trained on large data sets, allowing it to understand and generate a wide range of language responses to your questions. However, as with many machine learning models, it's not perfect and may not always generate the most accurate or appropriate responses for certain use cases. Now, this is where the exciting part comes in. Introducing fine-tuning. Fine-tuning is a process of training a pre-trained model on a smaller dataset specific to a particular task or domain. Now, that's quite a mouthful, so let me break it down for you. Think of ChatGPT and OpenAI like the invention of the wheel. Yeah, it's very cool. It's a very cool invention, but now how can we make it even better? We make the wheel more specific to a particular use case. For example, is this a high-performance wheel meant to go on a Formula One race car? Or is it a caster wheel meant to go on the bottom of an office chair? Both are technically wheels, and both are extremely useful in their specific domain. Fine-tuning is basically the same concept. By fine-tuning ChatGPT on domain-specific data, we can improve its performance and make it more efficient for specific use cases. This is because the model will have been exposed to and trained on relevant data, allowing it to better understand and generate language specific to that domain. This is where the true power of ChatGPT and other AI models is really going to shine. We're going to see thousands of domain-specific startups explode onto the market over the next few years. So at this point, you may be wondering how this relates to the real world. Here are a few examples of how fine-tuning ChatGPT on specific domain data can be beneficial to us, the public. Number one, a healthcare company could fine-tune ChatGPT on medical data, allowing it to generate accurate diagnosis recommendations for doctors, searching through millions of data points in an instant and saving them having to do the same. A financial services company could fine-tune ChatGPT on financial data, creating predictions, warnings, and alerts on the financial markets. A customer service company could fine-tune ChatGPT on its products, allowing it to generate more accurate responses when used in a customer service chatbot or virtual assistant. Lawyers could fine-tune ChatGPT on legal data, providing them with accurate references to case law and other legal documents to save thousands of hours of research. The fine-tuning process can be done by using a smaller dataset specific to a task or domain, and updating the model's weights using that data. This process can be done using existing fine-tuning techniques such as transfer learning and domain adaptation. I won't cover these techniques today, but if you do want to know more about them, just drop a note in the comments and I'll happily provide some more info and examples. Or to be honest, you could probably just ask ChatGPT and it will tell you itself. Fine-tuning ChatGPT on domain-specific data can significantly improve its performance and make it more efficient for specific use cases. So if you have access to a large dataset of domain-specific information, now is the time to be thinking about how you can leverage that to fine-tune ChatGPT and take over the market before somebody else beats you to it.